Alright, guys, we are doing epic Guess 666 boss fight.
That's my idea. The guy stole my idea.
We're gonna do epic thing and then shoot, and then we're gonna shoot because I'm Russian, as you can see. And then we're gonna open chest, and we are going to summon demon now.
And also with my cousin.
Yes.
I am on a phone call right now.
Everyone summon him. Summon. Yeah, I'm on a call with a friendly guest here. And epic is happening. Oh, the music stopped. That means it's about to happen. Oh, it's happening. Get your gun out. Shoot it.
I used to shoot in first person, but the gun was blocking my way. Ah, I shot one. No.
Shoot him.
Dude, are you off the tree now? Oh no. Yeah, oh no, I'm screwed.
Remember when you fell and got back up and lived, and then he started targeting you, and you were like, I survived, and then you died?
I shouldn't have said, what are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? Oh my god.
They have the cape so they can survive.
How has he not gotten nuts yet? Like, my ad.
Kill it.
Kill him. Kill him with monetization.
Ah! The screaming is actually kind of scary, man. They're actual screams of pain. Besides the flamingo ones, those are cool. Those are epic good. Those are amazing.
Ow! Ow! Oh my god!
Why is someone over there?
That guy. I feel bad. I feel bad for him.
Oh, some person fell. Oh no, he has the cape. He's just leading him back. Kill the statue.
No.
Miko. I think we can actually. Can we get copyrighted for Flamingo singing it?
Someone actually said you're freaking out over a statue. Yeah, a statue that comes to life.
The ghetto statue. The epic ghetto statue from Naruto.
Shoot him! Well, guess 666.
It's not fair when you do it like that.
Really close in my left ear. Where is he? Where is he?
He's coming for us. Up.
Oh great, now I'm screwed.
He's using Lazizis. Dude, I'm on the small tree.
No, my monetization.
Get away from it. Are y'all going to kill him? Cause we can't shoot him through trees, man. Penguin guest, no!
Somebody move! Move, I want him dead.
Somebody kill him. I got a clear vision on him now. I can. I can shoot him. Except he's right underneath me and I don't think it's safe.
Okay, don't.
I'm running.
No.
Shoot it. Demonic statue. Demonic statue. We won.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, we did it. We killed him. Haha, epic dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is defeating Guess 666.
Dude, if I got the godly while recording this, that would just be epic. I lit everyone on fire using the fireball.
Let's go! And I didn't die. He's happy.
Yeah, he's happy. Now he's gone forever.
Oh, sweet. Let's see what I get.
Let's do epic spins. I already have the SWAT. I wanted Shrek. No godly and I literally already have that. Dude, I'm getting all duplicates on camera. This is just amazing. Hey, no! Dude! I was one off of Bacon Bot. I was one off from Bacon Bot. I already have that. Oh, wait, I don't have that. Never mind.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can always be reminded when we upload.
Yes.
And we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye, Big Die. Subscribe.